Yeah, just came in and this is what I found out. Not working, no Wi-Fi, my water's off, no power. I don't know. So what could have happened? Hey guys, welcome back. This is Realtravelspeaks, bringing you back another video about my condo. And today we're going to talk about one of the problems that I ran into or I experienced not too long ago. It's actually not a problem, just a minor setback. And I decided to make this video to help someone who is interested in owning property here, who may encounter this problem in the future, or someone who's encountered a problem now and they're not sure on what to do. Okay, so imagine that you are on vacation away from Thailand. Let's say you went into the States and you decided to rent out your condominium to some tenants for the time being while you were away. And then you got back to Thailand and you found out that your electricity and water is no longer working in your condominium, meaning that the tenant or whoever was staying there wasn't taking responsibility of paying the bills that they were using, the utilities. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to fix that problem and what you need to do to get your power and your water running back into your condo. If you no longer have your bills on showing the balance, that amount that was owed for your utilities, what you need to do is find the paperwork to see who your utility provider is. If you still don't have any paperwork to find out who your utility provider is, then reach out to your previous agent who helped you purchase your property. Next, what you need to do is just contact the service provider. You will have to go there in person. Just bring all your proof of ownership with you, and as soon as you arrive there, what you have to do is that you have to take a number and wait in line to get served. When you arrive there, just tell them your name and show them your passport, your proof of ownership, and they will easily look it up in the system. They will be able to provide you with all the information that's already recorded. So once you give them your name, your address, and where you live, it's so easy for them to pull up the information. So don't panic if you can't find some of the documents that you don't have. So next thing what they would do is they would show you your balance amount that you are owed, right? And it's just simple. You would just pay there right there on the spot with this service provider. And that happened to me. So when I got into my other condo, which I was renting out to a tenant who was no longer here, and they wasn't paying the utility bills. That's just one of the things that come with investing. You know, you expect these risks and these things to happen. But so I went down there and I paid the utility bill, which probably was like $35 US dollars. So, and by the time I got back to my condo, my water and power was already running. So don't fret if you come in, you know, your power is out and you have no one to help you on what to do. You know, maybe it's real late at night and you can't get in touch with anybody, or you don't have anyone and you're just here alone in Thailand. So what you need to do is just follow those steps. It's very easy. Find a utility provider, find the address, go there, show them your proof of ownership, pay the bill, get your utilities turned back on. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and explain what to do if you have no power or utilities in your residency, and how easy it is to get it turned back on. So that happened to me, and I just decided to make a video about it. That way I can help somebody in the future who are seeking this knowledge. So I see you guys again. This is Realtravelspeaks. Embrace the journey. I see you guys in the next video. Peace.